Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Supabase in Typeform integrations securely. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Supabase in Typeform integrations securely, start by signing up for a Supabase account if you haven't already. Once logged in, create a new project or select an existing project from your dashboard. Access the API section within your Supabase project settings. Here, you will find your API URL and the project's non-public key. Copy both the API URL and the non-public key for later use. Next, head to your Typeform account and open the form you wish to integrate. Navigate to the Connect tab located in the form editor. Find the webhooks option and select it to start setting up your integration. Click on Add a webhook and paste your Supabase API URL into the provided field. Specify the endpoint in your Supabase setup that will handle the incoming data. Now, you need to configure authentication. Use your non-public key to authorize requests made from Typeform to your Supabase backend. Implement real-time authentication by using the Supabase client library in your project. Install the Supabase client library using npm or yarn if applicable. Import the Supabase library into your application code. Initialize Supabase with your API URL and a non-public key. Set up appropriate headers to include the authorization token in each request from Typeform. Make sure to validate incoming data to ensure it matches your expected format. Lastly, test your integration to verify that data from Typeform is correctly received and stored in Supabase. Monitor logs in your Supabase dashboard to troubleshoot any issues that arise during testing. Once confirmed, your secure Typeform and Supabase integration is ready for production use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.